Any doubt you can ask. Yes, Neha. Sneha. No, I'm not telling to you, Prakhar, I'm telling to others. Sneha, you don't want to read? You raise hand. Okay. Yes. Manvi. Yes. Speak. Manvi.
Hello. Ma'am, can I read?
Yes, yes, yes. Now read.
Tissues. First, group of cells that work together to perform a particular
Little
function is
louder,
called
Manvi, little louder.
tissues. Group of
Students,
cells that work
excuse me,
together to
Manvi.
perform.
मानवी,
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा किसी को कहीं कोई भी पॉइंट में डाउट है आप पूछ सकते हो, अदरवाइज मानवी विल रीड कंप्लीट. सो एनी डाउट you can ask, you can raise hand or you can write in chat. I am observing. Yes, Manvi. Yes, Manvi, start. Manvi.
Tissues. Group of cells that work together to perform a particular function is called tissue. Second, plant tissues. On the basis of the dividing capacity, plant tissues are of two types, meristematic and permanent tissues. Third, meristematic tissue. It consists of actively dividing cells. Properties of meristematic tissues. First, made up of image made up of immature cells or undifferentiated cells. Second, cell wall is thinner with a prominent nucleus. Third, their cells are metabolically highly active with a dense cytoplasm. Meristematic tissues are of three types. Meristematic tissue location function. Apical meristem present at the growing tips of stems and roots to increase the length of the stems and roots. Intercalary meristem present at the base of leaves or internodes for the longitudinal growth of plants. Lateral meristem present on the lateral sides of the stem and roots to increase the thickness of stems and roots. Permanent tissues. It is formed from meristematic tissues. The cell loses the ability to divide. Permanent tissues are divided into two categories. First, simple permanent consists of only one type of cell performing same functions. Second, types of simple permanent tissues, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. First, parenchyma, composed of unspecialized loosely packed living cells with relatively thin cell walls and large intercellular space. First, collenchyma. Parenchyma that contains chloroplast and performs photosynthesis is called chlorenchyma. Second, erenchyma. Parenchyma that contains large cell cavities is called erenchyma. These large cell cavities uh, provide buoyancy to aquatic plants. Collenchyma, composed of living and elongated cells with cell walls irregularly thickened at the corners, have very little intercellular spaces, provide flexibility and mechanical support to the various parts of the cells. They, the they are present in leaf stalks just below the epidermis. Sclerenchyma, composed of long, narrow, and lignin deposited thick walled cells. This tissue is made up of dead cells and there are no intercellular spaces. For example, husk of coconut. Complex permanent, made up of more than one type of cell. These tissues constitute vascular bundles. Types of complex permanent tissues are
So anyone, इतने में किसी को कोई doubt? Is it clear? If it is clear, then you can write in chat so that I will be continue with the next topic, xylem. Prakhar, Khushil, Manan, is it clear? Yes, Labdi, Kavya, thank you. Okay. Points are easy. You can make a notes. Yes, xylem. Manvi, Manvi.
Xylem conducts water and minerals from the roots to the different parts of the plant. Composed of four different types of cells: tracheids, vessels, xylem parenchyma, and xylem fibers. Except xylem parenchyma, all other xylem elements are non-living. Phloem conducts food materials from the leaves to the different parts of the plant, composed of four different types of cells: sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fibers. Except from phloem fibers, all other phloem cells are living. Animal tissues. Animal tissues are classified into four types based on the function they perform: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissues. Tightly packed cells with almost no intercellular spaces. It forms the covering of the external surfaces, internal cavities, and organs of the animal body. Various types of epithelial tissues.
Hmm. Manvi, why you are keeping yourself mute? Yes.
Squamous epithelium. Single layer of extremely thin and flat cells are called simple squamous epithelium, while multi-layered cells forms stratified squamous epithelium in order to prevent wear and tear. Location in the human body. Simple squamous epithelium, lining of the mouth, esophagus, lung, alveoli, etc. Stratified squamous epithelium, skin. Cuboidal epithelium consists of cube-line cells that provide mechanical support. Location in human body. Lining of kidney tubules and ducts of the salivary glands. Columnar epithelium consists of elongated or column-like cells to facilitate movement across the epithelial barriers. Location in the human body. Inner lining of the intestine and gut. Glandular epithelium consists of multicellular glands. Connective tissues specialized to connect various body organs. Various types of connective tissues are: loose connective tissue. It it includes it includes areolar and adipose connective tissues. Areolar tissues. It provides supports to internal organs and helps in repair of tissues found in the skin and muscles around the blood vessels, nerves, etc. Adipose tissues acts as the storage site of fats found between the internal organs and below the skin. Acts as acts as an insulator for the body. Dense regular connective tissue. Main components are tendons and ligaments. Ligaments, connective tissue that connect a bone to a bone. It is very elastic. Tendons, connective tissue that connect a bone to a muscle. It has limited flexibility. Specialized connective tissue. It includes skeletal tissues, example cartilage and bone. Fluid connective tissues. Blood is the special connective tissue present in animals that helps in the transport of various substances. It is composed of plasma, red blood cells, RBC, white blood cells, WBC, and platelets. Lymph. It, it is a transparent light yellowish fluid located in the intercellular spaces of our body. It is it is part of defensive mechanism of the body and also helps in transporting nutrients to tissues and cells. It also helps in carrying digestive fasts from the intestine. Muscular tissues. Muscles made up of muscular tissues make it possible for the different body parts to move. Muscular tissues can be classified into three categories as shown in the figure. Muscular tissue. Striated, smooth, cardiac. voluntary striated, involuntary unstriated, involuntary striated. Striated muscles. Striated muscles shows alternate light and dark bands or striations when strained appropriately. They are also called skeletal muscles because they are found attached to the bones which form the skeleton. They are voluntary muscles. The cells of muscular tissues are long, cylindrical, unbranched, and multinucleate. Example having many nuclei. They are located in body wall, tongue, limbs, and pharynx.
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 Smooth muscle.
Pharynx. Is
Sorry.
this is pharynx, Manvi? Pharynx. PHA.
Pharynx.
Pharynx.
Pharynx. Smooth muscles. Unstriated or smooth muscles do not show any alternate light and dark bands. They are involuntary muscles as they are involved in involuntary actions of the body. The cells of smooth muscular tissues are long with pointed ends and unnucleated. Smooth muscles are located in the alimentary canal, urinary bladder, blood vessels, and ducts of glands. Cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles are muscles of the heart. They are striated but involuntary in action. They are rhythmic contraction and relaxation throughout life. The cells of cardiac muscular tissues are cylindrical, branched, and unique and uninucleate. Cardiac muscles are exclusively present in the heart. They control the rhythmic beating of the heart. Nervous tissue. Highly specialized tissues present in the brain, spinal cord, and nerves. Neuron. It is the functional unit of nervous tissue. A neuron consists of a cell body, an axon, and a dendrite. Cells of the nervous tissues are highly specialized for becoming stimulated and then transmitting the stimulus very rapidly from one place to another within the body. Neurons are responsible for both collecting and delivering message in our body. Neurons. The fundamental unit of neuron system is the nerve cell. Parts of neurons. Dendrite. It receives information from the axon of from an adjacent neuron and conducts it toward the cell body. Axon. It conducts message away from the cell body. Cell body. It contains a nucleus, mitochondria, and other organelles. It is concerned with the maintenance and growth of the cell. Fat-containing Schwann cells help in insulating the neurons, making them capable of transmitting signals very fast. The myelin sheath is not continuous over the axon and has some gaps exposing the axon. A gap between two adjacent myelin strands is called a node of Ranvier. Transfer of the nerve impulse from one another nerve cell. The axon ends of one nerve cell are loosely placed on the cell body or cyton of other nerve cell, thereby form a loose thereby forming a loose connection called synapse. Electric signals are transmitted from one neuron to the next across such synapse through the release of chemicals and neurotransmitters. A released neurotransmitter crosses a synapse and starts a similar electrical impulse in the dendrite of the adjacent neuron. In this way, impulses are transmitted from one neuron to another and ultimately to the brain. Glial cells. Nervous tissue also contains supportive cells of various kinds which do not help in conduction. These cells are called glial or neuroglial cells.
Last topic is nervous or nerves.
They are formed of a bundle of axons that are enclosed in the sheath. They are of three types: sensory, motor, and mixed.
So students, any doubt in these topics? So that now I'll continue with the question answers. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Okay. Now I'm moving to the question answers. This is the question. The 1 mark question is this. Where is the apical meristem? It is in the growing tip of the stem and the roots. Which tissue makes up the husk of coconuts? Sclerenchymatous. What are the constituents of phloem? These are the constituents: sieve tube, companion cells, phloem, parenchyma and phloem fibers. Name the tissue responsible for the movement in our body, muscles or musculars. Vertical growth in plant takes place by which? So this is the 4 options. From that, this is the correct option. Again, this is which of these component of the blood fight infection, WBC. In desert plants, rate of water loss get reduced due to the presence of cuticles. Cartilage is not found in kidney. Which of these types of cells is mostly likely to divide? Epidermis, parenchymatous, meristem and the xylem. Answer is meristem. Companion cells are associated with sieve tubes, sclerenchyma, vessels and parenchyma. So the sieve tubes is the option. Which tissue has chloroplast in the cell? Parenchyma, chlorenchyma, sclerenchyma, or the answer is chlorenchyma. Intestine absorbs due digested food materials. Which type of epithelial are responsible for that? So the correct option is columnar epithelium. Here 13th is the meristematic tissue is found in root tip. The movement of passage of food in the intestine is caused by the contraction of unstraighted muscles. A long tubular outgrowth of a nerve cells which conduct impulse away from the cell body is termed as, what is that? Dendrite. You have been provided with narrow thick walled living cells elongated in shape and possessing thickening of cellulose and pectin. These cells belong to what? So the answer is collenchyma. Which of the following is the correct definition of the tissue? Group of dissimilar cells which performs similar function. A long tree has several branches. The tissue that helps in the sideways conduction of water in the branches is xylem. So always be understandable that the xylem is helping for the nutrients and the water supply in the plant. White blood cells is what? Protect the body from diseases. A person met with an accident in which 2 long bones of hand are dislocated. Which among the following may be possible reason? So here are the reasons and the correct answer is ligament break. So here 20 questions is of 1 mark. Okay. Now the 2 marks question. What is a tissue? You all know the definition of tissue. So you just read it, the tissue's definition, and I want this definition only. You people are only like to write, it is a group of cell. But this much is, it is of, if this question will come in 2 marks, you will only get 1/2. 1.5 you will not be getting in this way. क्योंकि आपको इसमें पूरा लिखना पड़ता है कि हर सेल का अपना फंक्शन होता है उसके टिश्यू के अकॉर्डिंग. तो सेल्स, a group of cells similar in origin and structure, and they are specialized to perform a particular function like muscle cells in our body. By giving one example, क्योंकि एक example आपको देना पड़ेगा और एक आपका definition का mark होगा. In our body form the muscles tissue that brings the body movement. What are the constituents of phloem? This is the answer. Name the simple tissues. So all these: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. What does a neuron look like? Neuron comprises of a cell body along with 1 or more short branches, dendron, and one hair-like long branch. Again, definition of tissue. How many types of elements together make up a xylem? So these are the xylem tissues part. How are simple tissue different from complex tissue? So this is the difference between two, simple and complex. Again you have a differentiation between parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma, but the condition is given on the basis of cell wall. तो जब आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन मिलता है कि आपको सिर्फ उसके तीनों के सेल वॉल एक्सप्लेन करना है, तब आप उसमें दूसरे चीज नहीं डाल सकते, ठीक है? तो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सेल वॉल सिर्फ आपको सिर्फ सेल वॉल तीनों का बताना है. Function of the stomata, this is the function: exchange of gases, transpiration, help in food preparation. So specific function of the cardiac muscles: contraction and relaxation, gives the rhythm to the heart, pumps blood. ये सारा function आप लिख सकते हो. Now this question: name the following tissue that form the inner lining of the mouth, epithelial; tissue that forms that connects the muscles to the bone in human, tendons; tissue that transport food in plants, phloem; tissues that store fat in our body is this adipose; and connective tissue that a fluid matrix is. No, you will not get up this PDF. आपको PDF अपलोड नहीं मिलेगा, आपको क्लास में ही देखना है. You will not get this PDF. You have to attend the class. Next question: identify the type of tissue in the following. Skin में कौन सा टिश्यू प्रेजेंट होता है? Bark of the tree, then bone, lining of the kidney tubule and the vascular bundle. So these are the types of tissue: epithelial, sclerenchymatous, connective, cuboidal and the complex. Name the region in which parenchyma tissue is present. So the region of the plant where the parenchyma tissue is present is, these are the parts: epidermis, cortex, pith, root, leaves, flower, fruits of plant. What is the role of epidermis in plant? Protective layer देता है. It can also absorb water from soil like in the roots and even exchange of gases. How does the cork act as a protective tissue? In plants, the secondary meristem cuts off many external layers of the cell. तो protective tissue क्यों बोला जाता है? It arrange in a layer. Such layers make a So here again, what are the meristematic and the permanent tissue? Meristematic, it consists of small, thick, walled, continuously dividing. Meristematic, these are the two functions. I am now going in a hurry because we have only less time left. 10-12 minutes are left. So what are the functions of the tendons and the ligaments? Structure of diagram is neuron is very important. Differentiate the following activities on the basis of the voluntary and the involuntary action. So first is jumping of frog, pumping of heart, writing with hand, moving of chocolate in stomach. Name the following. So this question, I think it is repeated in 3 marks, in 2 marks. Difference between cartilage and the bone. This is the difference. It is soft, flexible, hard, flexible, non-porous, porous. Blood vessels are absent and present. Matrix made up of protein. Now again, which component of the xylem are living and which ones are dead? Define due process of differentiation. Define tissue. What is the utility of tissue in multicellular organism? Mention characteristics of permanent tissue. Mention the function of the nervous tissue. Again, this is the reasoning question. Animal of colder region and the fisher of cold water have thick layer of subcutaneous fats. सो स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने आपको ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए दिखाया है कि ये क्वेश्चन आपको 2 मार्क्स 3 मार्क्स में भी पूछा जा सकता है। तो ऊपर लिखा जरूर है कि इट इज ऑफ 2 मार्क्स, बट इट कैन बी आस्क्ड इन 3 मार्क्स बाय एडिंग वन मोर क्वेश्चन बिहाइंड इट। अब जैसे क्वेश्चन आपको दिया हुआ है 28th, नेम द 2 मेन टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट टिश्यू, और 29th उसी के आगे ऐड कर दिया, वाटर हाइसिंथ फ्लोट्स ऑन वाटर सरफेस। ठीक है, नेम द टाइप्स ऑफ द वॉस्कुलर टिश्यू, तो टाइप्स आपने बताना है, जाइलम, फ्लोएम। नाउ वी हैव टू मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट part, that is the 3 marks questions are all same, like what is the utility of tissues in multicellular organism, and give 3 features of cardiac muscles. What are the functions of, sir, what are the functions of areolar tissue? Diagrammatically show the difference between the 3 types of muscles fibers. This is the diagram. Diagram, it is in the book also, so you don't need to worry of that कि इसमें क्या बना हुआ है. Unstraighted, straighted, cardiac muscles, इनका differentiation भी मिला हुआ है. 3 marks में न्यूरॉन का डायग्राम आ गया आपको, ये मैंने ऑलरेडी वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दिस दैट 2 marks क्वेश्चन और 3 marks क्वेश्चन आपको मिल जाएगा. How many types of tissues are found in animals? Students, no need to take a screenshot, you can check the uploaded video. ठीक है, voluntary, involuntary. Now I am going to tell you the questions which are of 5 marks from this chapter. I am waiting for that part. Okay, so very good. एक गुड न्यूज ये है कि इसमें 5 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन आपको नहीं दिए हुए हैं, ओनली 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन, बट दैट 3 मार्क्स क्वेश्चन विल बी अटैच्ड विद द 2 मार्क्स. 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स के साथ अटैच होके 5 मार्क्स बन सकता है, तो टेंशन मत लो, वो क्वेश्चन कैसे भी आ सकता है, बट क्वेश्चन आर दीज. सो दीज आर द क्वेश्चंस. टुडे आई हैव गिवन यू एटलीस्ट 50 क्वेश्चंस. So 50 questions is for this chapter. Out of that, I'll ask 10 to 15 questions. Only questions, not MCQ, क्योंकि already MCQ मैंने आपको 15 या 10 MCQs दिए हुए हैं, तो that will be in the Google form, but the question answers will be asked in next class. नेहा मैडम एंटर करना चाह रही, कैसे एंटर करवाऊं बताओ, ये चल ही नहीं रहा है, ये अभी चालू. चलो 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 एंटर कर. देखना मैं हेमंत सर आएंगे ना तो मैं बात करूंगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स, किसी को कुछ पूछना है पूछ सकते हो. ओके कृषिका, हैप्पी बर्थडे, टुडे इज योर बर्थडे, गॉड ब्लेस यू. अच्छे से पढ़िए एंड कम फास्ट इन क्लास 10th. आई वांट द स्टूडेंट्स which are good in every subjects, so please cooperate with your teachers. So any doubt students, anyone, any question? मैंने आपको सारे questions दिखाए हैं. You can see this is the difference, how our cardiac muscles differ from both. Okay Labdi, thank you. आप लोग अपलोडेड वीडियोस चेक कर लीजिएगा, you will get the questions from there. Sample paper, Which sample paper? I am not able to understand. We are only just giving you the questions of our subject. Be ready with that. That is only the sample paper. If any sample paper will come, then we will discuss with that. Don't take tension. The paper will be easy, but work hard. Easy में ऐसा नहीं होगा इस बार कि तुमको बहुत easy questions मिलेंगे, but work hard for that. Okay? So any doubt? You have only 5 minutes. किसी को कुछ पूछना है, किसी को कुछ बोलना है, just raise hand. अगर किसी को कुछ बोलना है तो. Nobody want to say anything? Or anyone wants to chat? He or she can write on the chat. You will not get this PDF in the group. You have to see the uploaded video if you are not attending the class, or better to attend the class क्योंकि हम उसमें questions discuss करेंगे. हम जो देखेंगे, जो हम पूछ सकते हैं, वो uploaded में नहीं पूछ सकते. तो आप better to be regular. I have observed that many of you have entered while the time is 9:20, 9:15. You people are 15-20 minutes late. If we are coming to school to teach you, so now you understand the hard working of yours and ours. जब हम आके आपको पढ़ा सकते हैं, तो आप लोग सिर्फ घर में बैठ के सुबह उठ के अटेंड क्यों नहीं कर सकते हो? इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो मेरे पास नहीं है. Yes, Manvi, it will be. The management is deciding to call you for the offline exam. Then it is very painful for the people, those who are waiting for cheating. तो इसलिए उनके लिए बहुत दुखदाई होगा. Divya, Krishika came at 9:35 and she is in the waiting room. 5 मिनट के लिए वो क्या कर लेंगी क्लास में? I know that she is in the waiting room. 35 में उनको क्या मिल जाएगा? और your class ended within 2 minutes. So students, any doubt? I asked many times, you are not saying. So now this is the last 1 minute left. I am closing this. किसी को कुछ पूछना है? Okay.